Alright guys, the next thing I want to show you is how do we go ahead and start kind of making this 3D, because obviously if I turn it around, like, come on now, oh yeah, now I'm turned around sideways. I mean, it's obviously not 3D. So I'm going to go back view, and I want to go back to top view. Okay. I'm going to go back to my curve option or path option. I'm on 2D. Down here at the bottom though, make sure my screencast start display. Here's my screen class. Okay, so over here I can go ahead and start changing some of the thickness, like there's offset, depth, extrude, and I want the extrude one, and I'm gonna do like 0.6 and hit enter. Okay, so now if I turn it sideways, now look at there. Now I've got my 3D. So it didn't look like that before, and I may want to bump it down. It's a little bit thick right there. Let me do 4. That's a little bit better. I like the 4. And then if I hit here, same thing. I want to do 0.4 to match. So now I have my 3D logo. Okay, text is a little bit different. If I click here, well, it's under geometry. So 0.4. And actually, I want to do less. That looks way too thick. So you might have to adjust depending on what you're doing. That's better. Because I still want to be able to read it. So I've just turned my logo into 3D. So that's how you would do that.